In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add ads on Odoo website. First, you will start by opening the right place inside Odoo. Go to your website app. This is the area where you manage the pages, layout, and content that visitors can see. If you are already signed in, look for the website application in your main dashboard or app menu, then click it to enter the website editor environment. Once you are inside the website app, the next step is to enable editing. Click Edit to open the builder. After you click Edit, you should see the page editing controls appear, along with options to add and place different blocks. This is important because you cannot insert or change content until the builder is active. Take a moment to confirm you are viewing the correct page you want to place the ads on. Now that the builder is open, you will add a space for the advertisement code. Drag a text or embed code block onto the desired location on your page. As you do this, watch the page layout as you move the block around. You want to place it where the ad should appear, such as near the top of a section, between paragraphs, or at the end of a page. The goal is to choose a location that matches the design of your website and does not interfere with your existing text or images. If your site has sections, aligning the block with those sections can help the ad look natural. Next, you will insert the actual ad script into that block. Paste your ad network script, for example, an ad network like Google AdSense code, into the block. When you paste, make sure the content goes into the correct editor area inside the block. The script should include the necessary JavaScript and configuration provided by your ad network. This step is crucial because the ads will only load properly when the full script is present. After pasting the code, you will store your changes. Click Save. This ensures Odoo keeps the new block and the ad script exactly as you entered it. If you do not save, your changes might be lost, or the ads might not display when you later publish. Take a brief moment to verify that the ad block still shows the code or confirms that it has been updated inside the builder. Finally, you will publish your work so visitors can see the ads live. Publish your changes to make the ads live. Publishing is what takes the edited version of your page and makes it active for real visitors. After publishing, you can open the page in a new tab or refresh to check that the ad appears in the location you selected. Keep in mind that ad networks sometimes take a moment to load, so the ad may not appear instantly at first. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.